Bonjour, bienvenue. Welcome back to Grade 7 French. This is our final grammar and parts of speech lesson for Grade 7 French. Today's video is all about les verbes partir et sortir. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use and conjugate two important verbs, partir and sortir. Both of these verbs have similar meanings. They're also irregular verbs, meaning that we have to memorize how to conjugate them. On the next two slides, you will see the conjugation charts for partir and sortir already filled out. So what I'm going to ask you to do as I move into the next two slides is to either take pictures of the next two slides so that you have them handy for the slides coming up in the second half of this video, or you take the time to write down these charts on a piece of paper, and they don't take too long to write down. Let's look at the first one. So we have partir, which means to go or to leave. Okay, and so we've got our conjugation chart set up for je all the way through elles. So I will just read this for you. We have je pars, tu pars, il part, elle part, nous partons, vous partez, ils partent, et elles partent. So put the video on pause so that you can get a snapshot of this chart, or you can copy down a piece of paper. Alright, look at the second chart. We have sortir, which means to go out. We have je sors, tu sors, il sort, elle sort, nous sortons, vous sortez, ils sortent, et elles sortent. So when I'm finished speaking, please put the video on pause so that you can get a picture of this slide, or you can make a quick copy on paper. Alright, now we're going to put this stuff to good use. For each of the sentences that appear on the next couple of slides, we are going to rewrite them using the subject in parentheses. And that means that we need to change the conjugation of the verb sortir or partir. So look at the example. Talia sort de la grotte. We're going to replace that with ils. So when we do that, if ils sort de la grotte. So let me read the first example, or the first problem to you. Je pars en vacances au Québec. And we want to change the sentence so the subject elle is used. So put the video on pause and jot down your solution to this question. And then when you hit play, I'll reveal the answer. Alright, if you got elle part en vacances au Québec, you're exactly right. Here's one more. Carlos sort de la grotte. We want to change the sentence so it uses the subject je. Please put the video on pause and try out this question at home. Alright, and you should have gotten je sors de la grotte. Okay, you're going to do the exact same thing with these next three sentences, so please put the video on pause so that you can try them out at home. Okay. Now we're going to rewrite these sentences in the negative form. And let's take a look at the example. Ils sortent de la grotte. We would use the words ne et pas, and we put them around the conjugate form of sortir. So we have ils ne sortent pas de la grotte. So try out the first one after you hit pause. Elle part en vacances au Québec. And Your sentence should look like this. Elle ne part pas en vacances au Québec. Let's try this next one. Je sors de la grotte. Put the video on pause and put this sentence in the negative form. Okay, and your answer should look like this. Je ne sors pas de la grotte. Alright, you know what to do. You're going to put the video on pause so that you can write down these 3 sentences in the negative form. Alright, and of course, in tomorrow's class we will take up the solutions to the problems which were posted on this video, and then you'll get some time to do some independent paired work or small group work in your cahier. But until tomorrow's class, this concludes today's video.